Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a Cable Matters brand, their HDMI to mini HDMI adapter. So you can see that it has the regular HDMI male here and a mini HDMI here. This has a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. So this allows you to convert a mini HDMI cable to a full-size HDMI cable, connecting existing cable from tablet or desktop camcorder, DSLR. Really handy to have. You want to have this in your toolbox of HDMI connectors. And I'm going to show you where I'm using this. I have a monitor that I use, HD monitor for my camera, and the monitor only had HDMI. So I have a flexible cable that's mini HDMI, and I'm going to use it for it. So this has video resolution up to full 4K, which is great, and it is HDMI 2.0 compatible with audio return channel, as you would expect. Lightweight and portable, all gold plated contacts, superior construction, and again this has a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. So here is my little miniature HD monitor. I have a Canon camera right here with a really nice flexible HDMI mini to mini. I'm going to have a link for that also in the description so you can see how good that product is. And then there is the adapter that we're talking about right there. So my monitor had HDMI, I got a 90 degree on there, and I couldn't use this nice cable. So this allowed me to go ahead and now use that adapter by using this flexible cable. And then I get a perfect signal to use for my camcorder monitoring. So what do I think about this product, the Cable Matters brand, the HDMI to mini HDMI? Really handy to have, inexpensive, very high quality. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.